Guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable account updates notifications on your Everand app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, you click here on account down here, and you just click here on account. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on notification settings, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click on notification categories here. So then you come to this list, come here to account updates, just click in this sign here or this color. Like you see color, it's gone here, that's mean here account, sorry, that's mean account updates disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.